Hello and welcome. I am here to make my video and about the app that we are building. So far, I've done all that I could. I spent about like 16 hours doing this project, and we're still not done. I'm gonna talk about a little bit like what was done today and all of the project. So today we just added the contact list, also the contact info and the contact select and all the templates that we need. We also modified the contact components to add the select contact. Now, one thing that we need to notice, and maybe for future reference for the students, on the newer versions of TypeScript, we need to add the ignore or just the exclamation point after you create this. It took like 2 hours just to figure that out because it doesn't work without it. Okay, so let's go through the contact detail. So here's the contact details. It's pretty close to what it was before. We are using the contact name now, and we're using the image that's binded to the contact name. We're still using the bootstrap for everything else. And here's to display the contact email and the contact phone. That's all I have so far. And here's the details. We're exporting, we're inputting the contact from contact list, from the contacts over here. So we can use the contact detail components on the NG4. Here's the contact edit feature. So we have all the edit feature right here to be added. The forms text, what it is, and where it's going pretty much. And what will happen once we click the add button, or if we click delete, what is gonna it's just gonna delete. In the clear, we'll just clear the buttons there. Here's a little bit of the components features. I still use the ingredient name. I need to change that name. So it goes, instead of contact, will be information. We're using the contact model to create that contact list the way that we want. Here we have the export class contact edit component, and then some view child, so we can use on the upper places over there. Statics will be false. Now here again, we had to add this exclamation point. I had to go through all the process to use the element ref for this particular property element. And here's how the context was set, how the groups are set. Edit mode is Boolean, so we have a Boolean there, and it's tied by the ID. And again, I had to add this to the ID and all of the other ones so they work. And here's the add the items for the edit button. This is how the items is getting pulled. So far, we don't have too much stuff, just the contact name and the image. And here's how it's exported to other places. And the event emitter, so it emits to the components, the contact component HTML. So when it gets an event, you will emit to the component. let's see here, and then we have the contact list, and this is how the contact list is pretty much set up. We have the search box over there, the volume control, the enter, and what is going to happen once that is clicked. And then we have the list on what's going to happen. So I was going to use on destroy for the button. I end up not using it, but I'm still going to use it. We have the contact model, subscription, output. This is just like a few examples of the contacts. I'm going to change this so it's dynamic. I'm going to have to be adding the contacts instead. Construction on destroy. This is what's going to do. The search term, which is going to be the value. The value is what gets the information from the search. So in the contact, in this, what's going to be selected, and you omit the contact so we know which contact we are working with. This is pretty much the HTML so far. So here it's like if you click in, this is where you get, if you click in one of the selection there, that's what's going to show the information on the side. And this is to select the contact info, the contact. So if you click one of them, if not, you just say the info text, which is this part right here, say please select the contact. Okay, what's new here as well is the select contact that we're using to select the contact. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also we finish the shopping list, which is the recipe. It's pretty close, the same, all the recipe list and creating a new recipe for it. Let me show you just a little bit of the website here. So that's how it looks like. There's the search box. And right now I don't have anything linked on the messages. I'm planning to do that later tomorrow. But if you click contact, sorry, there you go. If you click contacts, it will take you to this page. If you click message, it will take you away, or it was supposed to do that. And that's what he's doing. That's my daughter. We don't want that. And this will create a new contact for the list. So if you type something here, you're supposed to create a new contact. So let me show you the shopping list a little bit as well. The list, and we're gonna go. So here's the shopping list, has the same features as the CMS. Right now, shopping list would take here, so you can add in the amount. If you add, you will add right here. So that's all I have for today, and thank you very much for watching.